1977 Cadillac Seville. Headlights not working. I'm going to remove this console here to get to the light switch. I just removed that side screw there. And just remove a couple screws up there. I just removed the screw from right there. I just removed some screws from under the panel, a couple screws from under the panel. That's where I'm at. Since I removed those screws, it should be ready to slide right out. As you can see, it pops, pretty much pops right out. Okay, here we go. It pops right out. After I remove those 5, 6 screws, it comes right out. You gotta wiggle it out a little bit.